Welcome everyone, my name is Annette Thomas and I'm a pro makeup artist. In this tutorial, I'm showing you how to create this summer makeup trend. A gorgeous ombre lip that's perfect for beginners. Let's begin. Step 1, you're going to prep your lips. Ombre lips are best applied to smooth, hydrated lips. So exfoliate your lips first and moisturize with a lip balm. Step 2, you're going to line your lips using a lip liner and smudge it out. Use a shade that complements the lipstick color that you will be using. If you want to elevate your makeup skills, go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more makeup tips and tutorials. Step 3, you are going to apply a deep lipstick color that is matte at the outer section of the lip. Always try to use a matte lipstick. It is the best pick for ombre lips. Step 4, you're going to apply a light shade lipstick in the middle, then blend outwards, but not all the way to the edge of the lips. You don't want it overlapping with the darker shade. You're going to blend the colors together where they meet you can use your fingers or you can use a brush, whichever you choose. This will create a seamless transition between the two shades and enhance the ombre lip effect. Go back in with your lip liner to define your cupid's bow and your lip line. This will give your lip a more defined and polished look. I decided to add a lighter shade at the center, just to give it more definition. Then you're going to clean up the edges with concealer. Final step is to set your ombre lip to ensure that it lasts all day. This step is optional. I decided to add a little gloss at the center. You can leave it matte or you can just add a little gloss. And there you have it, a stunning ombre lip that's perfect for beginners. Remember to subscribe for more makeup tips and tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye.